If you want a fitness, health, and diet advice, then you can actually go ahead and get some advice from Kimi as well. Of course, it's a good idea to consult health professional as well and not just rely on Kimi for it. But for a rough idea, let's say for example, I can say something like, I am 55 kgs in weight and I want to gain weight and become at least 60 kg by the end of 2 months. By the end of 2 months, how prepare a diet and exercise plan for me right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it will search for its database and then it will give me a plan accordingly. So it says, sure, I can help you with the diet and exercise plan to help you gain weight in a healthy way. And here's a structured plan for you. Like, diet plan is daily calorie intake, and it says to gain weight you need to consume more calories than you burn and aim for an additional 500 to 750 calories per day, and this should help you gain about 1 to 1.5 kgs per month. So it also gives me a suggestion for breakfast and says oatmeal with nuts and fruits, and then smoothie right here, and mid-morning snack is a Greek yogurt and granola, and then nut butter and banana. And then for lunch you can see there's grilled chicken salad and quinoa with vegetable bowl and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, and then this is an exercise plan that it gives as well. Like in day 1 it gives me bench press, then lat pull downs, then shoulder press right here, bicep curls and tricep dips. So you can see that this is what it does and gives me a plan on how I can actually gain weight. And that is how you can get the fitness, health and diet advice inside of Kimi as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.